AeroGarden Harvest Elite 360 Stainless Steel. Our mission: to bring the magic of gardening in home all year round, and to inspire and enable people to enhance their food, their homes, and their lives through a simple and daily connection to what they grow. Harvest Elite 360. Our 6-pod Harvest Elite garden in stainless steel has a sleek tailored shape and a 30% smaller footprint without sacrificing water capacity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Grow fresh herbs and vegetables year-round. Number 2. Plants grow naturally in water, no soil, no mess. Number 3. Energy-efficient LED grow lights for faster growth. Number 4. Simple reminders take the guesswork out of growing. Number 5. Sprouts in days, harvest in weeks, enjoy for months. Number 6. Deal of the day exclusive. Your AeroGarden Harvest Elite 360 comes with an heirloom salad green seed kit inside. Enjoy a crisp, delicious salad any time of the year. No trip to the store, no worries about pesticides or herbicides, and no waste on greens gone bad. Always homegrown, fresh, and safe. Number 7. Ultra Thin Grow Light Hood. Plants grow bigger and generate bountiful harvests because of our full-spectrum LED grow lights. Our lighting systems are developed for maximum energy efficiency and cost just pennies a day to operate. Number 8. Grows naturally in water, 5x faster than soil. Save yourself the hassle and mess of growing indoors with soil. You'll use less water and your plants will grow faster, getting everything they need from the water and plant food in your AeroGarden. Number 9. Vacation Mode. The vacation mode setting on the Harvest Elite helps keep your plants healthy and thriving when you're out of town. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How do veggies without soil or water? Answer. AeroGardens are designed to help you grow your own herbs, vegetables, salad greens, or flowers at home. Our seed pod kits are compatible with every model of AeroGarden. Planting with seed pods is fun and easy. Just insert the pre-seeded pods in your garden, add water, and the patented, specially formulated liquid nutrients. Most plants germinate within 7 to 14 days, are ready for harvesting in 4 to 6 weeks, and will keep producing continuous harvests for up to 6 months and longer. Indoor gardening can't get any tastier or simpler. Question number 2. Can you grow carrots? I just need the carrot top for the bunny? Answer. You can try to grow carrots in the AeroGarden. I believe they would grow well if your intention is to grow the greens tops. The grow sponges are fairly small, so you would want to watch how large the actual carrot grows inside the seed pod. I recommend trying a Grow Anything kit to grow carrots in. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.